While the world is distracted by the metaverse and AI hype, the architects of our future are quietly building their exit strategy. Deep in the heart of Kauai, Hawaii, a massive construction project is underway. Shrouded in secrecy, protected by 6-foot walls and non-disclosure agreements, Mark Zuckerberg is building a $270 million compound. But this isn't just a vacation home, it's a fortress. Complete with its own energy supply, food sources, and most disturbingly, a 5,000-square-foot underground bunker protected by a blast-proof concrete door. And he is not alone. From Silicon Valley to Wall Street, the ultra-rich are no longer just prepping for retirement. They are prepping for the collapse. They know something we don't. While they sell us the dream of a digital utopia, they are pouring billions into tangible physical survival, buying islands, stockpiling gold, and constructing safe havens that can withstand everything from civil unrest to nuclear winter. Welcome to the era of the luxury bunker. Gone are the days of cold, damp concrete basements filled with canned beans. The new survival shelters, like the Vivo's X Point in South Dakota, are essentially 5-star underground resorts. These facilities are engineered to function for years without surface contact, offering amenities that rival the best hotels in the world. Take the Oppidum in the Czech Republic, touted as the largest billionaire bunker in the world. It features a simulated natural light garden, a swimming pool, a cinema, and even a wine cellar. The psychology here is crucial. The elite understand that surviving the apocalypse is not enough. They want to maintain their standard of living while the rest of the world burns. But having a bunker is useless if it's in a target zone. Location is everything. For Silicon Valley's elite, the answer lies at the edge of the world, New Zealand. It is geographically isolated, self-sufficient, and far removed from nuclear targets. It has quietly become the preferred lifeboat for the ruling class. This isn't a conspiracy theory. Peter Thiel, the billionaire co-founder of PayPal, famously acquired New Zealand citizenship, sparking a frenzy among his peers. They are buying vast stretches of land, not for investment, but for sovereignty. They are building private kingdoms where the laws of the collapse won't apply. However, for the richest man on Earth, even New Zealand isn't safe enough. Elon Musk's ambition to colonize Mars isn't just about exploration. In his own words, it is an insurance policy for the human species. While we worry about paying rent, he is building a fleet of starships to escape the planet entirely. Futurist Douglas Rushkoff was once invited to a secret meeting with 5 of the world's wealthiest men. They didn't ask him about the future of technology. They asked him one single question. How do I maintain authority over my security force after the event? They know that when money becomes worthless, the guards will become the new leaders. So they are brainstorming terrifying solutions. Some suggested using robotic guards that don't need food or payment. Others actually proposed disciplinary collars around their guards' necks that could deliver a lethal shock if they disobeyed. This is the level of paranoia we are dealing with. The irony is palpable. The people who built the world's systems are the ones most afraid of them failing. They are not trying to save civilization, they are trying to save themselves from it. And the message to the rest of us is clear. You are on your own. This brings us to the terrifying conclusion. The Great Escape is not about saving humanity. It is about saving a specific class of humanity. The timeline is splitting in two. One timeline is for the ultra-rich, secure behind blast-proof doors and on private islands. The other timeline is for the rest of us, left to navigate the chaos they helped create. But knowledge is power. They can hide, but they cannot hide the truth. If you want to see the reality behind the headlines and understand the timeline they don't want you to see, you know what to do. Welcome to another timeline.